Well, thanks for joining me again. What I want to show you is a 2018 box from Matchbox. They've gone back to the old ways, and if you look at this box, this is fantastic. This is 1970, made in England. Look at the box, genuine old box. So we're talking 48 years old. And what Matchbox used to do is very exciting. You'd have the box with the car, it'd have all the details on it, as you can see, racing suspension, high speed mag wheels, and then you'd get the car out and you'd have the box as well. Or like the Volkswagen up there, you could put the car on top of the box, and it was a great display. And even if you didn't have the car and you had the box, you could still cut that box up and use it as a swapping card as well. So it was really exciting. Now what Matchbox have done, as you can see, they've got a bit of a range. So there's a tractor, there's over here four-wheel drive, you know, we've got a police car, looks like a little bit of a dune buggy, fire engine, you know, a truck, four-wheel drive. So we've got modern and old. And what they've done is, let's have a look in this. They've got the box as well. They come in a wrapping, and for 2018 they have the same concept of what they were doing before. So really exciting from Matchbox. They did release these in 2017, but I'm in Australia and I've just found these ones in 2018. So I thought I'll open up some and we'll have a look at them. Okay, well, let's open up one of them anyway. And look at that. What a cool little model. Wheels go around. Got a little tow bar on there. And really great colours. And really nice. So here are some of the other ones. So basically what you have is, this says MBX off-road. You turn it around. It tells you they're metal. Has the information there. You can see 2018. And a little bit different, the box, but still really cool stuff. So I'll show you the beach buggy as well. What's that one called? A beach buggy. So they're actually Mattel Canada, but they are made, where are they made? Let's see. They are made over in Thailand. But yeah, great little models. So this is an MBX Rescue. I suppose you want me to take it out of the box. Alright, let's take this one out of the box and let's see what this one looks like as well. So these are really cool, and the fact that they got the box is really cool as well. So look at that.